Here we will write a program to calculate area of triangle with inheritance. So first in comment line we will write the formula for calculating area is base into height divided by 2. So first we will define class triangle and we will define constructor with two parameters as self h and b. Then we will assign self.h equal to h and self.b equal to b. Then we will define another class area which inherits triangle. Here also we will define constructor with self comma h comma b and we will get value of h and b from the triangle class using super keyword. So super dot init h comma b and then we will define method find area with self keyword and we will calculate area as self dot h into self dot b and this whole divided by 2 and we will print area as area of triangle equal to area. Then we will accept height and base from the user. So h equal to int input enter height of triangle, then b equal to int input enter base of triangle. Then we will create object for class area. So a equal to area and we pass h and b as a parameter value and we will call method find area from that class. Then we execute this. I will give height as 4, base as 5. It will print area of triangle as 10. Here first we have created a class triangle with two parameters height and base. Then we have created a class area which inherits triangle class and we will get the value of height and base from the triangle class using super keyword and then we have calculated the area and print area.